Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from MongoDB VPS with MongoDump restore step by step clearly. Start by logging into your MongoDB VPS using SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect. Enter the command SSH user at your VPS IP. Replace user with your VPS username and your VPS IP with the IP address of your MongoDB VPS. Once logged in, verify that MongoDB is running. You can check the status by executing sudo systemcall status mongod. If MongoDB is running, proceed to the next steps. Now, you will use mongodump to create a backup of your database. Identify the name of the database you want to backup. Use the command mongodump db your database name. Replace your database name with the actual name of your database. By default, this command saves the backup to the dump directory in your current working directory. To specify a different destination for the backup, use the out option. For example, mongodump db your database name out /path to /backup directory. Make sure the specified directory exists and has the proper permissions. Once the dump is complete, check the backup files in the dump directory. Now, if you need to restore the database, first ensure you are in the correct directory. Navigate to the directory where the backup files are stored. Use the command mongrestore /path to /backup directory your database name. This command will restore the database from the backup. If your backup includes collections, they will also be restored automatically. To confirm the restoration, log into the MongoDB shell. Enter the command mongo. Use the command show dbs to check if your database is listed. You can also use db.get collection names to see the collections restored. Once confirmed, exit the MongoDB shell by typing exit. Finally, exit the SSH session by typing exit or pressing Ctrl+D. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.